These are things you can do, and while you're doing them, you could charge your car. My dog's in there with his air conditioner on. So it's 79. That's really hot for us people. But we're getting 21 miles every hour we charge. What we're gonna go do. So notice 17 miles an hour I'm gaining, and it'd be done at 5 p.m. to 80%. But if I turn off the air conditioner, then I increase it to 19 miles, 20 miles, and it'll be done at 5:45. And right now I'm gaining, I guess, 6.25. But this is really, really hot, 79 at 11:09. We're only 40 miles inland, where it's always 62 degrees on the coast. So we'll be back there soon because this place is too hot. So I got to turn the air conditioner on so my dog can get charged up. Hey, but this isn't because I'm out of fuel, because I still have 122 miles to go. It's just because I'm topping it off. It's because I'm at the museum at the park, and my dog needed to get out, and my girlfriend wants to go to an art studio. So what I'm saying is change the way you think and you'll change the way you feel. I'm saying I'm charging passively while I'm already doing things I would be doing. Okay, I'll clean my screen. So watch it change from 16 miles an hour. That's how much increase I get. And the completion time. Watch. The charge rate. But we're actually testing this car to see if the water from the HVAC system is going to run onto my passenger floor and ruin my car and my life. So that's why we're here. We're at 79 degrees, running the air conditioner and having a good time in the park. One pedal driving, dog mode's on. I turned off the audio, my radio, so I could talk to you. And now I'm going to ask that guy about his Tesla. Yeah, so I just asked him. He has the adapter to the opposite adapter. I have the adapter that cost $235 to make it a Tesla charger. He has the adapter, I don't know what it costs. His is much smaller than my adapter though. Okay, so it says if I want to see the screen I have to double tap. Can't do that or I'll get some kind of a strike against me. Okay. So the window, yeah. They said it's fixed in the 2026. I'm complaining, but they said they're going to send me one in the mail, a pad for my dashboard. But, yeah, sometimes when I go over the hill and then I see the sun, I could run into something or somebody. It's that black. So this, as I said, is a test about my water. Hey, look at that. It's pretty normal. Coming right from where you would expect it to. Wow. It's been running quite a while. The other car would have had a giant puddle here. A giant puddle. Anyway. That's a good thing. So I've been running a test on this new car because the old one was a lemon. Pumped water on the floor of the passengers. Long story. This one seems to be working just like it's supposed to. It's in camp mode, dog mode. It's been on a while. Looks like it's supposed to. So this one might not be a lemon. Sure is fun to drive. As you can see through the trees there, when it's in pet mode, the lights are on, even when it's charging it. But I believe that's so the people won't break your window and trying to save your dog. Maybe that's why. I don't know if you're just supposed to unplug them or not. That's what I always did on my other electric car, but I'm not sure. Is that or not? So I just use my credit card, and I figured out I have a charge point account actually. So, time to go. Oh wow, look at that. Still will give me 13 miles an hour, 12. Be done at 9:15 tonight to 80%. So it's noisy because I have the air conditioner on. Because this is a test to see if water's leaking under the passengers side of the car. So it follows the sun. That's why it's made like that. I believe as the sun moves, this moves. But I say a lot of things that probably aren't true. Yeah, 9 panels. I think everyone should have one of these in their yard. Looks like they just set it here. I guess that way they can repossess it. It looks like it just came and got sat down on the cement. Okay, let's see if my car's leaking water now. Oh my gosh. I think we got a winner. 1,000-mile review. I think we got a winner. Alright, so we got home. See? No water. I'm up to my arm and there's no water. Wow. I think we got a winner. 1,000-mile review. I say it's a pretty cool car.